In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Shopify store to your QuickBooks account. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your business processes, ensuring your financial data is accurately synchronized between these two essential platforms. So, let's walk through this together. To begin, we're going to navigate to your Shopify account. Start by looking at the left-hand panel, where you will find the option labeled Apps. Click on this to open up the App section. This is where you can discover all sorts of tools that can enhance the functionality of your Shopify store. Now, in the search bar, type in QuickBooks. You should see several options popping up in the results, but we're interested in the right one for your setup, so make sure it specifically says QuickBooks. Once you find it, click on it to access its app page. You'll see information about the app, including user reviews and technical details that might be useful if you need to troubleshoot later on. Once you're ready, go ahead and click on Install. You may be prompted to confirm this action, as Shopify wants to make sure you're intentionally allowing a new app to integrate with your store. Just proceed by confirming, and the installation process will begin. This part is fairly straightforward but crucial, so allow the installation to complete. Once installed, the app should automatically open on your Shopify dashboard. If for some reason it doesn't, you can manually access it from the same Apps section where you started. At this point, QuickBooks will require you to log in with your QuickBooks account. Having your login credentials handy will make this step seamless. Enter your details as prompted. This login process is important for establishing a secure connection between your Shopify store and QuickBooks, thus enabling accurate real-time data synchronization for orders, inventory, and financials. Once you're logged in, the integration is complete, and you can start taking advantage of the enhanced connectivity. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully connected your Shopify store with QuickBooks. This setup will help you keep track of sales and manage your finances more efficiently, freeing up your valuable time to focus on other important aspects of your business. It's a simple process, yet incredibly effective in maintaining a seamless flow of information. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments section. Make sure to like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more useful tips like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.